In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Notion in the easiest way possible. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, incorporating visual elements like a pie chart can enhance your pages and make your data presentation clearer. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the page where you would like to add your pie chart. This could be an existing page that you're already working on or a brand new page created specifically for this purpose. Once you've got your page open, we'll start using a tool called Mermaid, which is integrated into Notion and super useful for creating simple diagrams and charts, including our pie chart today. To start, click on your page where you want the pie chart to appear and type in /, then type Mermaid. By doing this, you're calling up Notion's command feature that helps you get to various tools quickly. From the options that appear, click on Mermaid. This action is essentially how you signal to Notion that you're planning to create some type of chart or graph. With this foundation laid, it's time to jump into the fun part, building your pie chart. After clicking Mermaid, you'll notice a space where you can begin typing your data. Go ahead and type in pie as the first keyword. This tells Notion and Mermaid that you're creating, you guessed it, a pie chart. Now comes the heart of the task, entering your data. This is where you add your categories and their corresponding values, which visually represent them in the pie chart. So if you have specific data you want to visualize, such as the distribution of your favorite fruits, you would type something like this. Strawberry, 100. Here, strawberry would be your category, and 100 is the value it's assigned in your dataset. Continue to add more entries in this format for each section of your pie chart. So for other data points, follow the same format, like apple, 150, or banana, 75. Once you have all your data entered, Notion will automatically generate the pie chart for you based on the values you've defined. It's a fantastic visual representation right there in your Notion page. Remember, you can always refine or expand your chart by editing the existing data entries or adding new ones to reflect any changes or updates. In just these few steps, you've created a clean, easy to understand pie chart in Notion. It's a great way to visualize your data and make your Notion pages that much more informative and interactive. Remember, whether you're using it for personal organization or professional projects, a well-crafted chart can speak volumes. Thanks for watching and happy charting in Notion.